How to switch to a creator account on Instagram. This quick tutorial will show you the exact steps. First, open Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, and here you'll see Settings and Activity. Now scroll down until you find Account Type and Tools. Tap on it. If you're currently using a business account, look for Business Tools and Controls instead. After that, tap Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will show a few introduction screens. Simply tap Next to move through them. Now choose the category that best matches your content or profile. Once you've selected a category, tap Next. On the next screen, here already choose Creator Account, and then tap Next. That's it. Your Instagram account has now been switched to a creator account, and you'll get access to professional features, audience insights, content analytics, and the professional dashboard. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.